Hi, Janet's Kitchen Garden, and it's the 17th of January, and you're going to have a couple of sunny days and mid 50s, lower 60s, even getting up to 71 on Wednesday. So I'm in the midst of uncovering plastic and freeze cloth from all of my beds, and I just want to show you how they made it through 20-degree nighttime temperatures. Stand by. So this is, I'm in the East Garden, and this is my 8-in-1 Birdie bed right here, and I've uncovered it, and this is my squirrel protector cloth. Let me just draw it back so you can get a better look at what's growing in this bed. Now, I planted this bed about a month and a half ago, and we have kale and carrots and garlic, soft enough garlic in the center, more carrots, and then golden beets. Now, this bed was covered when we had the freezing temperatures, and it had the double layer of freeze cloth and then 6 mil plastic just inside tucked. I tuck everything in like all on the edges so no air really gets in, and then I weight the corners and the edges, and you can see it is fine. It has weathered the temperature really well. Now, the only area right here, you can see in the high winds, the plastic got blown just a little bit, and so those leaves got bit. But let's uncover another bed and see what we have. So this is the 16-foot bed that's fully enclosed, and we've removed the freeze cloth and the plastic, and everybody's just doing fabulous. We've got like 4 different kinds of lettuce and 4 different kinds of carrots in here. The parsnips have sprouted, onions. We have some seriously caterpillar-eaten leaves on especially on our Chinese cabbage. I need to come out here and check for the little bitty caterpillars and see who's chomping away at my Japanese greens and my Chinese cabbage. All right, we're going to go over into the West Garden area and uncover it. Let's go. Okay, let's uncover the West Garden. Everything's uncovered. Let's go check it out. So in this birdie, this is this fabulous looking leaf. This is my parsnips, and we have some lettuce still in here that I haven't harvested. We have more lettuce and carrots in this bed. Now the freeze, the first one that we had a couple weeks ago, did get my lemon verbena. Need to cut it back. I've harvested all but the one Chinese cabbage out of here, and it's fine. Strawberries are happy with a lone red sales lettuce. And in this bed, this birdie, this is all carrots, Uzbek, and a little butter crunch lettuce that I have been harvesting. You can see all the empty places where I've been pulling and eating lettuce for our salads at night. And we started pulling out the little Uzbek, thinning them out, and using those tiny little carrots in our salads. So everything has fared really, really well in this last go around of freeze. This is my bed where the red beets are. Now, in the first freeze a couple weeks ago, we had really high winds, and it blew off all of my protection, and I lost half of my beets. I did come out the next day and pull what was there and slice them up and put them in a salad, but they weren't very big. And this has all been planted with additional lettuce and some more carrots, and I've got the wire over it to keep the squirrels from digging holes, which they are wont to do. And then this is all garlic and a little bit of onions and a little bit of spinach. Now this bed also, you can see there's a squirrel hole. That's them. They come in and they dig, 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 dig. So that's why I put this fruit tree netting over the top of all of my beds, because the beds, every bed is surrounded by hardware cloth. And the reason we do the hardware cloth is to keep the bunnies out. I love my bunnies, but I don't need them to eat my vegetables. I share things with them that like the tops of carrots I cut off, I'll put where I know they hang out and they'll eat them. I did some of that last night and I noticed earlier that they ate every bit of it. So that's it. Everybody looks happy. We'll leave it uncovered now for 2 days. Okay, this is Janet saying bye-bye.